How to change DPI using developer options on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set a custom DPI value on your Android device. First, open your Android settings and tap on About Phone. After that, scroll down and find Build Number and tap on it 7 times in a row until you see a message saying you are now a developer. From there, go back to your Android settings and scroll down to tap on Developer Options. At this point, make sure the Developer Options toggle at the top is turned on. In the next step, scroll down and look for Smallest Width and tap on it. Following this, you will see a field where you can enter a custom DPI value. The default on most Android devices is around 360 to 420. Once done, the higher the value you enter, the smaller everything on your screen will appear, giving you more screen real estate and fitting more content on the display at once. From here, on the other hand, lowering the value will make everything larger and easier to read, but will show less content on screen at a time. Finally, enter your preferred value and tap OK to apply, and your screen will immediately adjust to the new DPI setting. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you change your DPI settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.